Hello, my name is Ryan Saylor and I'm here today at Center Rock Incorporated to talk about a new product, our 40-foot workstation. This is a custom unit that is made to your company's needs or to your specifications. So I think right now you can just see a big white wall, but I think where the real meat is on the inside, so I think let's go inside and we'll check it out. This unit, this mobile workstation, is custom. They come in 40-foot lengths, 30-foot lengths, 20-foot lengths. This is a 40-foot high cube, 300 square feet of inside working area. So you can get two guys easily, comfortably in here working on your down the hole hammers, breaking bits or breaking hammers or repairing bits. You might not need all this in your unit, so you'll have to hook up with our sales team. We would like you to help you get up and running on your job site. You know, at the end of the day, you might ask why you need one of these on your site. Well, number one, you want to maximize the life of your bits and your hammers. Can't stress enough. Number two is to minimize your downtime. You might be in a remote area and you have to ship your hammers back and forth to be repaired at an off-site facility. This unit will be on-site. You'll be able to service and get the longevity out of your product that you need. So once again, contact our sales team at Center Rock. We'd like to meet up with you today and get one of these shipped out to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.